Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 11 and today I'll show you how we can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, let's open up our settings application. From here, scroll down to additional settings, scroll down again and select backup and reset, reset phone, erase all data. And then we have erase data and remove eSIM profile. That's probably going to be the go-to option for majority of you, unless you want to retain the eSIM, which means that it's kind of like leaving your SIM card in the device. I prefer not to, so that's what I'm going to select. And I'm going to confirm it once more by tapping on this again. This will now begin resetting my device, and this process will only take about a minute to finish up. Once it's completed, we'll then be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. Well, for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.